A group of researchers at an organization called 3D Biotherapeutics have effectively relocated a 3D printed ear produced using the patient's own phones, the New York Times reports. It has all the earmarks of being a first in the field of tissue designing, subject matter authorities agree, and could be the harbinger of another period of regenerative medication. It's most certainly no joking matter, Carnegie Mellon biomedical designing specialist Adam Feinberg, who was not associated with the undertaking, told the NYT. It shows this innovation isn't an if any longer, yet a when. The patient, a 20-year elderly person, was brought into the world with a little and deformed ear because of an intriguing intrinsic problem called microtia. In a clinical preliminary recently, specialists 3D printed another ear, intended to flawlessly match her other one, and relocated it onto her head. The ear will try and keep on developing, the organization says, creating new ligament tissue. As indicated by the NYT, the preliminary could stamp whenever a 3D printed embed first made of living tissues was effectively relocated onto a human patient. The organization utilized a portion of a gram of cells reaped from the patient and developed them into billions of cells utilizing what it says is a restrictive innovation. An extraordinary 3D printer then utilized bio-ink in view of collagen to print the ear. It comes in as a biopsy from the patient, and it leaves a living ear, 3D Bio CEO Daniel Cohen told the NYT. Arturo Bonilla, the specialist who carried out the methodology, likewise left away intrigued. As a treated doctor, huge number of youngsters with microtia from the nation over and all over the planet, I am roused by what this innovation might mean for microtia patients and their families, he said in an explanation. This study will permit us to examine the well-being and stylish properties of this new technique for ear recreation utilizing the patient's own ligament cells, Bonilla added.